If you have an internet-connected device and even a remote interest in making money online, or maybe you just want to get more customers for your business, then this video is for you. Because today we are going to expose funnel builders once and for all. And by the end of this video, you will know everything about them, like what they are, why every business needs one, and most importantly, what they won't tell you. So make sure you watch until the end. But before we do that, I need you to smash that like button. It really helps me out, and it's free. So why not? Alright, now let's begin. First things first, what is a funnel builder? Well, a funnel builder is basically a tool that allows you to create a sales funnel. But what is a sales funnel? Simply put, it's a way to automatically promote your product or service to a customer. With a funnel, you can automatically send emails, set up webinars, collect leads, and so much more. The possibilities are really endless. Here's an example of how a funnel works. Let's say you're selling a digital product. First, you would need to create a landing page where people can put their email in to download a freebie. This could be something like a PDF guide or a checklist. Once they enter their email, you can then set up an email sequence that will nurture them and eventually lead them to buy your product. So now that you know what a funnel builder is and how it works, let's talk about why every business needs one. First, it will save you time. A funnel builder will automate your sales process, so you don't have to spend time manually following up with leads or customers. Second, it will generate more leads and sales. When you automate your sales process, you can reach more people and generate more leads and sales. Third, it will improve your ROI. A funnel builder will help you target your ideal customers, which means you'll spend less money on marketing and advertising. Fourth, it will provide you with valuable insights. A funnel builder will track your results so you can see what's working and what's not. You can use this data to improve your funnels over time. Alright, now we come to the fun part. Here are some of the things that funnel builders won't tell you. First, they won't tell you that you need to start with a good offer. No matter how good your funnel is, if your offer isn't good, people won't buy. Make sure you have a great product or service to sell. Second, they won't tell you that you need to build trust. People won't buy from someone they don't know. So make sure to build trust by providing value up front. This could be done through a blog, podcast, or social media. Third, they won't tell you that you need to follow up. Even if someone doesn't buy on the first go, keep following up until they do. This is where a funnel builder can really help you out. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new and valuable. If you did, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. Alright, I'll see you next time.